Welcome back, Fat Boys. So, your boy can't sleep. And it is currently 1:08 in the morning. So, we got ourselves a nice little night ride back home. I say it's time we start to get into it. How about you? I do. Let's go. Here we go! The Interstate War stops. Woo! Ramming speed. This is surprisingly really pretty doing this right now. Smelling all the pine coming through and just these like nicely lit roads like this. Man, this is really kind of gorgeous. It doesn't really feel like Florida. Kind of like the west coast of Florida. A lot more than the east coast. Just had the gas light come on, and you know what? It looks like there's a good sized gas station here, so why not stop for right now? Go ahead and get some more carbonation-y devices inside of me. A little gas stop, and also just a little bit of rejuvenation juice. So while we're filling up, I'm kind of in like this weird mood right now. Like, I feel a little tired, but at the same time, like, I feel completely wide awake. I don't know why I'm feeling this way, and it's extremely weird. And also kind of going along with the campout, I still feel like extremely weird coming from that. Like, I feel both extremely motivated and depressed in a way. Like, coming from the campout, I feel very inspired and uninspired about the whole YouTube thing, really. Let's talk more about that back on the road. Here we go, finally getting back on the road now. Got a little banged up in there, if you know what I mean. And I'm feeling much better, feeling a lot more energized. Got my little bunny going. But, so let's get back to the why I am conflicted about this. I don't understand why I feel this way, but I just kind of do. I really feel like I'm facing this dilemma of I'm not sure how to feel right now, because I feel so inspired by talking to all these amazing YouTubers and the really high, like the ones that we all want to be, like Her Two Wheels, Jess, and Josh from Shade Tree Surgeon, Blockhead. Like, man, like they're like heroes to many people out there, and me included, because like a lot of them like really got me interested in motorcycling and really inspired me to start this channel myself. But once I'm out there and I also start to see the amount of other YouTubers there that just have, like me right now, just such a small following, I don't know how to put it. It's kind of just depressing to me, because like it's depressing to me because we have these people here and we love them, but there's also these hundreds of people here. They're also just trying to make their chance, you know? But like it's so inspiring because I'm so driven by them, because I got to meet them and they gave me some ideas, and I got to like truly see how they are in real person. The truth is that they are their true selves on and off the camera, which is so nice to see. It's not like they're actually lying to people. It's so nice to actually see that what they say to do is actually a genuine thing. It is important to be a genuine person on your channel, because then people are going to come to your channel for you and not your fake self. It's nice to see that. It also kind of showed me at the same time the saturation of it all. So I'm torn. And in the short scheme of it all, I'm torn on how to feel. I'll be torn a little bit down here, and I'll be torn a little bit up in Virginia. So let's just get back on the road, shall we?
It also feels like every single minute I'm going just a little bit more north, it's getting just a little bit colder. And I'm starting to regret this late night motorcycle ride in winter. Late fall, whatever you want to call it. Not fun. Whew. Okay, so I also just hit the 23-hour mark of me staying awake. And right now, I think it's better for me to probably do the smart thing and find a hotel to stay for the next couple hours to get some sleep in. Just so that way I can make it home in one piece. Yeah, let's do that. Okay, I think I found a Hampton Inn. So let's just go do that to be safe. Why not? Let's go get checked in. Let's see if Residence Inn has any available rooms.
So guys, this is a lot more than I was expecting. Look at this. Holy crap, man. It just keeps freaking going. It keeps freaking going. Look at this. I just wanted a room to sleep in. And there's breakfast too.
2 hours later.
Man, guys, I just feel so much better. That was so needed. What's funny is now I'm right back on schedule where I was originally wanting to be. I am dressed up for highway weather, and sitting right here is very hot right now. But oh my god, I just feel so much better. We still have 9 hours to go, 650 miles. That is so easily doable. I got about 4 hours of sleep. And honestly, that was perfect. Next stop, Virginia.
Later.
Finally heading off the interstate for a little while. I follow the talking box wherever she leads me. I do love these West Coast Florida back roads. Sure are nice. Oh heck man, I forgot to mention to you guys, when I was over on the East Coast, I even got some highway pegs now. Look at that. Now we ride in true comfort, boy. Got my lazy boy on right now. Alright guys, I think I'm gonna call an end to this video here. You guys already saw me make my way down to the surrounding campground. You don't need to see me make my all the way back home. It's the exact same thing, just in reverse. Thank you to everyone that stick around through watching all of these videos. Thank you Josh, thank you Sage Resurgent, thank you Blockit, thank you Virgin Wheels. Thank you, Biker Bay Beth. Thank you, Captain Anna. And thank you for everyone else that I met out at the campground. It has been an extreme honor to meet everyone. It has been one of the best biker events I have ever been into my entire life. And it was all for such an amazing cause. 100% worth the trip. I am just ready to make it home and start working on these videos for you guys. So if you like this video, or you like these videos, I should say, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps out the channel, really helps out. It really does help to grow the small people, man. It really does. Write down any comments you have down below. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you ring that bell notification so you know when the next video comes out. I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.